What's up, guys? Back on your screen today. So today we're going to be attempting to make the keto angel fruit cake. Oops, so this is 12 egg whites.
Alright guys, we're gonna make this recipe for Father's Day, which is tomorrow. So the first thing, when you separate the egg yolk from the egg white, you're gonna take the egg white and then whisk it on the first speed and then move it up to the second speed.
So this is what we have so far. So it's very well mixed.
Holy, that's so
Alright, yeah, so now we're going to add the dry ingredients right here to the egg whites and the other things we put in there. So I'm actually going to hold this the sifter, and then I'm going to add to that, and then he's going to use this to make sure it sifts through correctly.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Correct.
Alright, so might start your
process.
Yeah.
So the way I've been taught to do this is you go down and then you flip in.
Yeah, so you don't want to actually stir it, but you just want to
go higher, thank you. So flip in, go down, flip in, and just repeat.
Precision.
So guys, this is an angel cake tube pan, and we line the bottom with parchment paper. So now we're gonna pour this mixture into here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't pour it over the.
You want to get a better angle?
Don't pour it over the tube.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, we're gonna put the mixture in the oven. It was preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna put it in for 45 minutes. Alright guys, the 45 minutes for the cake is done. Well, almost. We have 1 minute and 46 seconds left.
We should have to be fine.
It is done. It is done. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait, we gotta make sure it's done.
No, not the toothpick. You look.
Call your mom.
Wait. Out.
Alright, so
Oh my.
as hoped for, it is golden brown.
Oh.
You know, I don't want to brag, but that looks pretty good.
Do we get to eat it?
Beautiful.
Oh my.
Beautiful. By the way, guys, this is keto once again. Just.
Oh, it smells so good. Look at that.
No, guys, you have to put this on quick.
Wait, what?
Yeah. So this is what you do. You put that. You see the little tube?
Wait,
Film.
do I have to put this on top of that?
No,
this?
it's fine. It's fine. Mark, hurry up, or the cake will actually be botched. Oh no.
Yep.
Yep, just like that.
It just falls.
Oh. Alright guys, we just finished
Cooling it.
Yep.
Oh baby. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a knife and then pull this off.
Shouldn't it be a serrated knife?
No, it doesn't have to be. Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Wow, that was kind of satisfying. So, no, it doesn't need to be serrated. So we're just gonna cut around the edge of it like this.
Okay, well.
I was hoping this was gonna be smoother.
Yeah. Josh, what do you think about it?
I think I should try.
Wait,
Try.
oh, I got it.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm going this way.
Oh.
Guys.
Sorry, Mark.
How incompetent do you think I am? Oh my
I'm
goodness.
pretty incompetent.
Alright. Alright guys, are you guys ready for this?
Moment of truth.
The moment of truth. You guys are gonna watch this thing pop out and see me delicious with it.
Uh-oh.
Push.
You know what I'm gonna do?
No, wait, Mark.
Why do I feel like it's a bot?
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay, take this out very slowly and carefully.
No, Mike, stop. Oh.
You gotta do the middle. Around the middle.
Oh.
Flip it over.
Alright guys, take notes.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
This kind of looks good though. I thought this. What are you doing?
I like
Yeah, I
food.
think I'm gonna try it. Oh, I'm gonna taste your berries. Okay, now we got a little bit. 1 second. Sorry. Yeah, I think that's good.
It's alright, guys.
Josh.
I haven't gone. Okay, I've gone all
Alright.
right now.
So now.
Moment of truth.
Oh, don't be careful with it, bro. This is delicate. Guys, don't put it
No,
like.
it's fine, it's fine. Go ahead, put it down. Okay.
Got it, guys. I got the.
You have to. Stop, you have to take the parchment paper off.
Oh, no.
Wait, put it down, no. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
No.
Wait, slowly.
Alright, flip it upside down onto the.
Yeah. Alright, guys, moment of truth. Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys. We did it. So our first try.
Yeah.
Angel food cake. Oh, it'll be a lot better, and we'll do a quick taste test because Josh has never had it before.
Yeah, I've never had it before.
And yeah, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, first try, I think it turned out pretty well. What's up, guys? So this is day 2 of our cooking excursion here. So basically, right now we're going to be making keto whipping cream to go with our keto angel food cake. So I'm gonna do that right now. So basically, to make this, you need 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then over here, Pete's cutting some strawberries for the cake as well. So let's add that in. Oh, that was delicious. Okay. So instead of using normal sugar, we're gonna be using this sugar replacement. This is for the keto folk, but it works pretty well. So let's add that in. Put a little bit more tablespoon in. Alright, and then half a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, oh boy. Alright. Good. Alright guys, so now we're going to start mixing the heavy whipping cream.
Okay, guys, so we have Dr. Eiles here again, and it's Father's Day. So we made this angel food cake for him, and it is keto friendly. So is the whipped cream. So we're gonna try it. See how it tastes.
So we're going to taste this, and we're going to basically rate it on a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead, guys, and let's try some
I've
of
never
this.
tried this before, so this is gonna be interesting.
It's been a long time since I've
This whipped cream is not Cool Whip. It's simply heavy cream plus sugar plus plus a little flavoring.
What's technically not sugar is monk fruit, which is like keto sugar.
Right, well, I'd like to describe the cake a little bit. This is sugar-free. It's a cake that's sugar-free. It's flour-free, gluten-free. So this is just so full of really good stuff. It's got almond flour, some kind of natural sweetener. You know, when I think about all the angel food cakes I've had, and there have been a number of them, I can't say that this is in second place at all. I would say this is really one of the best angel food cakes I've ever had. Any comments from you, Josh, on anything else?
Well, I think the cake's great, but another thing I like to point out is the whipped cream. So I'm usually not a big fan of whipped cream, but I think this keto whipped cream is really good. So, yeah.
What makes it keto? That seems strange to me, a keto whipped cream.
So no sugar. That's I think the only thing,
Well,
right?
you're blowing me away. No
Yeah.
sugar?
No
in
sugar.
This?
No
This
sugar.
is such a sweet dessert.
Yeah, we use this thing called monk fruit. It's like a food sweetener for keto diet.
Oh.
It's kind of like a sugar, but not.
Yeah. So yeah.
This is incredible. I mean, a dessert this good is keto friendly. It's just amazing. And like I said, maybe I discussed it with these guys before. I love fruit in my desserts. I like fruit more than chocolate. And when I can get 2 delicious berries in one dessert, it makes my Father's Day basically. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, 9.5. this may be one of the best desserts I've ever had. I can't say for sure it's the best, but I can't give it the 10 because 10 would be something that just blows me away. So I would say 9.5. It's really right up there. So good. How about you, Mike?
Well, I would give this a 9 because I really like this and I'm really proud of how it turned out. But I've had other desserts that are a lot better than this.
Well, I would give it a solid 9.5 too. I feel like the texture is really good, and it's not too sweet, like it doesn't overwhelm you. So that's why it's a good 9.5.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check us out next week for a brand new video.
So guys, please like us. Please just drop a like, subscribe, please. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, we're 7 subscribers away from 100 subscribers. And if we hit that 100 mark, we're going to do a video, a cooking video with a brand new recipe of a family cake. It's the best cake ever. So yeah, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you guys next week.
Yeah.